YouTube channel. My name is Marceline. Thank you so much for clicking on to this video. I will be demonstrating how to achieve this super sleek ponytail using Amani Hair's 4C natural textured hair ponytail. Before we move on to the tutorial, let's talk about Amani Hair.
Being the household name that it is, listen to me and listen to me good. Amani Hair and Beauty is the one-stop shop for all of your hair and beauty needs. We carry a wide variety of raw and Remy hair extensions in all textures, with our main focus being natural hair textures. Hey Naturalista, I see you girl. Located in Nassau, Bahamas, Soldier Road and Shakur Way, stop on in for your natural hair care products and so much more.
Check out our social media platforms. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, add us on Snapchat. We're also on WhatsApp. Check out our website, AmaniHairandBeauty.com.
Not in the Bahamas? Not a problem. You too can get your hands on quality hair extensions. We ship worldwide.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video with a friend, share this video with your hairstylist. Be sure to turn on your post notifications so you can look every time we upload. Now, let's get into the tutorial.
To achieve this look, I used 2 rubber bands, a Denmans brush, a hard bristle brush, some hairpins, a spray bottle, oil sheen, Biosilk, Eco Styler gel, leave-in conditioner, and some foaming mousse. All of the items will be in the description box and can be found on Amazon, but if you're in the Bahamas, head on over to Amani Hair and get your products. I love to start off with freshly washed hair. My hair is damp. I'm just spraying on my favorite leave-in conditioner and using my Denmans brush to detangle. Next, I'm going to section my hair into 3 main sections. So I'm creating and perfecting my middle part. I just love how a middle part looks on me, and it's perfect for this hairstyle. It's just so elegant and timeless. You want to braid away the 2 front sections for now. We will start molding our back section first. Girl, we over here looking real color purplish. At this point, we are going to be working in subsections, so let's start at the nape of our head. You're going to part off a small section of hair, detangle with the Denmans brush, apply Eco Styler gel at the root of your hair closer to your scalp, and we're going to use a hard bristle brush just to smooth and mold everything into place. Pay attention to the way that I'm using my hands to mold the hair in place as well. I will be repeating those steps until I get to the crown of my head. Part a small section of hair, detangle, apply Eco Styler gel, smooth it out with a hard bristle brush. Once I get to the crown of my head and everything is nice and molded, I'm going to secure the back section with one rubber band. I'm going to use the exact steps that I used at the back section to mold the two front sections. This time my subsections are going to be even smaller. Keeping your subsections small, being generous with your Eco Styler gel, and being consistent with these steps are going to give you this sleek foundation. Right now I'm going to secure my two front sections with my second and final rubber band. I'm just going to go in with a small tooth comb to perfect my hairline, give myself some baby hair. Right now I'm just going to braid away the end of my ponytail and create a bun. This will be the anchor for my extensions. Right now I'm just adding some more product. Don't be afraid to add product. Be as generous as you can be. Now that I'm satisfied with my foundation, I am going to tie my hair down with a satin scarf and allow my hair to dry overnight. So I received my extensions in my signature pink and black Amani satin bag, perfect for storing my extensions when not in use, and I was really impressed by this texture. This is our 4C natural textured hair ponytail. The attachment combs and the drawstring made installing a breeze. By the way it is designed, you are able to wear it either horizontally or vertically, your choice. So it's the next day and my hair is dry. I'm gonna get rid of that dry matte look and add some Biosilk onto my foundation. Next, I'm gonna spray some Cantu oil sheen onto my ponytail, so we could look moisturized. Now to apply my ponytail, I'm going to place the attachment combs onto my foundation along with a few hairpins just to secure it into place. Then I adjust my drawstring. Now I'm securing the end of the drawstring with a hairpin just so it won't be seen. To create an illusion, I got some hair from the very back of the ponytail and wrapped it around the base of my ponytail. And there you have it, a nice fluffy moisturized ponytail. I was curious to know how the ponytail would look with the curls defined, so here I am spraying some water, adding some styling mousse, and I also went in with some Eco Styler gel. Right about now, I'm just making sure I'm working all of those products into the hair, getting product on each strand of hair, and my curls popped, y'all. Look at that. And there you have it, guys. Here's our final look. Let us know which look you prefer. Do you prefer the fluffy moisturized look, or do you prefer the well-defined curls?
Alright you guys, if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to let us know in the comment section. Also, let us know other video ideas that you want to see. Be sure to turn on your post notifications so you can look every time we upload. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.